In this video demo, we're going to be looking at how we can do pipework takeoffs based on PDF construction drawings. So in this example, I've already ran the drawings through the system, and on the left, we have our takeoff of the various pipe sizes, the floors on which the pipes are, and the overall length of the pipes. So you'll see with Civils.ai, whenever we do any kind of measuring, we also do the annotations. So you'll see for each one of these annotations, we basically highlight on the drawing where the measurements have been taken. So Civils.ai, you can always cross-check between what's given on the drawing and what we've actually taken off. So once the processing is complete, you can click this download as button, and you can download this as an Excel file or also a PDF with the annotations on the PDF. With Civils.ai, we can read both metric and imperial, and we also automatically scale the drawing. So we use either a scale that's written on the drawing, or if in some cases there are dimensions, we also scale directly from those dimensions. So with Civils.ai, we give the scale that's been used, and on the right here you can see each one of the drawing sheets that have been used as part of this takeoff, which are the different floors of the building. We do the takeoff based on the prompt that you type in. So in this case, the prompt is quite simple. It's just measure and categorize the pipework. And the more you use Civils.ai, the more it understands about your standards for measurement. So in this case, I can actually edit my standards that I use across all my takeoffs within this preferences memory. So I can type in here anything that I want it to use to apply across all the takeoffs that I do. You may have some comments after we've finished with processing the takeoff, and you can actually add those with this request resubmission. And then in here, you could say takeoff pipework quantities from floor 5. So let's say we've only taken off floors 1 to 3, because that's what you asked us for, but you say you want 5. You can type that in here and actually click submit. And then Civils.ai will update all the quantities that we've taken off and annotate any new pages. So how do you actually set this up to run? So I'll just quickly show you that. So you can create projects. You just click this Add Projects button up here on the top right. And this is one project I've already created. So within here, you can just click this Extract Quantities from CAD. You drag and drop your PDF file here with all your drawings inside and any schedules that you want to reference. And then you type in here the prompt. So it could be measure and categorize the pipework. And then here, this would be the title of this takeoff. And that's it. You just click run and the processing starts. So once the processing's done, this status here turns to completed. And if there's any comments on the takeoff, they appear in here. So maybe there's something missing or there's some discrepancy. You'll actually have some comments on the takeoff. And then you can just click to open up your results. And within here, you'll have your breakdown of the different lengths and sizes which have been read off of the PDF drawing.